Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video I'm going to show you how to ignore messages on Messenger. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, give your login details and sign in. Now on the screen you can see your old conversations along with search bar, new message option and menu. Now you just have to swipe left on the message that you want to ignore. Then you're gonna see two options, more and archive. You can archive the message to ignore it, or you can simply go on more. There you can see options like mark as unread, mute, restrict, delete or block. You can simply restrict it, or another way to go is tap on mute. There you can see you can mute the message for the selective time, like 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, or until the time you want to change it. Select until I change it, and there you go. That's how you ignore messages on Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.